Huawei Y9S back glass needs some replacement.
When you look at the back glass, you can see it's cracking in pieces. There's a lot of crack at the back. As you can see, this is Huawei Y9S. So what we'll be doing is that we'll be replacing it with a new one, and I think it's about time we go to work. And the first thing we have to do, we have to heat the back a little, which means we'll be putting the phone on the fryer. We have to fry the back glass for it to be heated. Then the next thing we do is we remove the broken pieces of the old glass, as you can see. After removing the old glass, then the next thing we have to do is that we have to add some glue to it, to the frame. We'll add glue on all the edges, which is at the back. But before you add glue, you have to remove the old glue that might be on the frame. Then you add the new one, which you are seeing on your screen. After adding it, then the next thing we have to do is that we have to bring the new one, that's replacing the old one with the new one. But first we have to remove the foil which is at the back of the new glass. Then the next thing we do is that we replace the glass which is at the back. After replacing it, it's done. As you can see, it's perfect, it's beautiful. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.